Class bank account GUI. Extend JFrame implements action listener. This class creates the GUI window for the bank account program. It extends JFrame, meaning it is a window. It also implements action listener, allowing the class to respond the button clicks. And also we have variable declaration. The private G text field, amount field, private G level, balance level, message level, private G button, deposit button, withdraw button, private bank account action. The amount field is where the user types an amount to deposit or withdraw. And balance level sub is to display the current balance. And message level show success or error message. Deposit button also is it this button is to deposit money. Then an withdraw button to withdraw money. Then an account is a bank account object that store the balance. And also we have public bank account GUI. It creates a bank account and also it makes a new account with initial balance. And second, it set up the window. It set the title of the GUI window and also it specifies the window size. And next makes the window close the program when the button X is clicked. Then we have also the layout setup. The layout setup, it uses a grid layout with 4 rows and 2 columns. This arranges components neatly in a grid.
So this part is to create a simple banking interface in GUI which handles an account transactions. It input and elements of an amount, deposit button, and withdrawal button. The amount is to entering a transaction amount. A deposit button is to trigger the deposit actions, and the withdrawal button is to trigger a withdrawal action. The function of the code is the button are connected to an action listener or permeable implemented in the pattern in class, which triggered an action performed method for transactions. The typical use of the follower is to use an enters amount text field. It clicks either deposit or withdraw button. The system updates the balance and shows feedback in the message label. It's create the basic functions. Transactions interface similar to ATM controls, but in a deposit application format. The MTJ label spacer helps to create visual separation between sections.
This method handles button actions by first validating the entered amount, ensuring it is a positive number. Depending on whether the user clicked the deposit or withdraw button, it processes the transaction and displays success or error messages. After completing the action, it updates the displayed account balance and clears the input field.
Public static void means string args. So, swing utilities invoke later bank account GUI new. Public static void means string args. This is the main method, the starting point of any Java application. Swing utilities invoking later. This to make sure that any swing GUI code run on the event dispatch thread EDT, which is the special thread Java user safely update and display GUI. Components. Running GUI code on the EDT helps prevent bugs and ensure the interface works smoothly. Bank account GUI new. This method reference that tells Java to create new instance of the classes. Bank account GUI, it's the same writing new bank. So this could start the program unsafely. Create a new bank account GUI windows on the Swing GUI thread.
The bank account class in Java simulates a simple bank account. Balance. A private variable stores the account's balance as a double private ensures. It can only be accessed or moderated through the class's methods. Instructor. Bank account initial balance creates a new account settings. Starting balance. This balance initial balance assign the input to the object balance. Get get balance returns the current balance, deposit amount, and the given amount to the balance. Withdraw amount, subtract the amount for the balance. If amount is greater than balance, it throws an insufficient funds error. Exception handling.